Like you to put my hand here. Oh no, this doesn't want to get.
One cup of salt, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of white paint.
Hello, Loggy. Welcome to my vlog. 1 cup of boiling water. So my mommy can't do it because I cannot do it because I'm a kid. So I get this. So my mommy will do it. As your families, you can do the boiled water inside the cup. A cup. I don't want to burn myself.
Yeah, so mommy will. Okay, we have to be careful, okay? Because it's a little hot.
Take it slowly.
So Vloggy, you need to dissolve the salt.
For my mommy. Beautiful. It's a lot.
Okay. Okay.
A little bit. Laggy. We're gonna put this again. Mom, I think it's hard now. I think it's hard. I scared you, Vloggy. It looks like a Play-Doh now. Whoa!
Eh, ang dami naman eh.
Sorry.
Oh, oh no.
Sorry. So, Vloggy, you can put a little bit paint.
Just a little bit.
B. Vloggy, I put a little bit flour. Everywhere. Ready.
And here. I think it's, we need to put more of flour. So the dough is too soft right now, so we need to put more of flour. Okay, you can adjust the flour if you want.
Laggy, this is Michaela's and this is my mom's. So let me do the baby circle. You have to make a ball. Laggy, to put my hand here. Oh no, this doesn't want to get. we discover it. Bye, see you later. A kiss. I want a kiss. Love you. Get my next channel next year. Bye.
Next year. Hi, Baba. Good morning. Okay, so we're gonna bake this now. Look at this, guys. We baked it last night, this morning for 3 hours. So, yung heart ni Michaela, tsaka yung hands ni Mommy, tsaka yung heart, hindi pa siya, hindi pa siya masyadong malamig. So, ito pa lang yung malamig, yung maliliit. So, Michaela will paint it. Okay?
So this one's not done, and this one's not done. Laggy, I'm so excited. So this is my creation.
Mommy did this. This is my hand.
This is my creation.
See? Compare it to me. Mine is boring. Michaela is really
nice.
Colorful and nice. There you go. So cute.